I'm Elaine from Sew Right, and I'm here to tell you about a class I'm going to be doing. It's a lecture demo, and it's going to be on magnetic hoops. Magnetic hoops are for any sewing machine. This one happens to be for a baby lock, and I'm going to show you part of the how it works in the demonstration. But I'm also going to show you today a couple samples. This here is, I don't know if you can see that little lion. This is done on Minky. Normally Minky would have, it would not be something you'd want to hoop because it would leave marks. So to putting in a magnetic hoop, ideal situation, okay? The background, let's show you the back. How cute is that? Little lovey, takes no time at all. The other thing, and this is where I really shine, is embroidering towels. Towels are probably one of the most difficult things to hoop. I have some tricks and tips. This towel happens to be about 6 years old, and you can see the embroidery still looks very nice. So anyway, I have some tips, secrets actually. I'm going to tell you about that. This class, I will also show you, if you do not have an embroidery machine, how to do it also. But it's much easier with a hoop. Another wonderful thing about the magnetic hoops is that you can actually do quilting in the hoop. And it makes it so much easier. You do not need stabilizer. So all you need to do is put the hoop under where you want it. Okay. And then you're going to take the magnets and you're going to do from opposite sides. Okay. Okay, see how, and then you're going to lace it nice and tight. Okay. And now, if it's not correctly in the hoop, think of how easy this is to just lift these up and adjust it. Where if it's in a hoop, you have to take the whole thing out and redo it. Okay? So this is one of them. You can save yourself a lot of money by, instead of sending your quilts out to a long arm, you can quilt them yourself. Okay, let me show you the back. How cool is that? And the hoops come in different sizes, and it depends on your machine. This happens to be a baby lock. There's some for Viking and all the other manufacturers. I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks for watching.